Hello everyone, this is Ethely and family, and today this is a very special day with Mommy Lady Sue and Daddy Rudy sa kanilang wedding anniversary. Happy wedding anniversary Mommy and Daddy. Ang wish ko lang po sa inyo is you have more years to celebrate and more years together. Happy anniversary, I love you both. Mwah.
Hello guys! This is Jacob JTV na i-grade ko lang ng happy sa the wedding anniversary kay Ate Sue and Kuya Rudy na masasabi ko lang na be strong sa inyong married at laging mag-iingat kayo sa trabaho, Kuya Nati, mag-enjoy sa life at bigyan pa kayo ni Lord ng long talagang pagsasama yung dalawa. And miss you and I love you, Ate and Kuya. And once again, happy anniversary. We love you both.
Hello, this is Pinati Say Bombay. Greetings to sa aming very supportive Lady Sue and Vlog and Rudy M channel for their silver wedding anniversary, and makasana all na lang na merong ganon silver wedding anniversary. So I think 30 years. Oo. Me and Daddy, thank you always. I'm here lang po si Tisay na laging busy. Ayan, lahat naman tayo busy. Me and Daddy, thank you. Mommy and Daddy, thank you for all your support. And long live pa po. And thank you for everything. And God bless more wedding anniversary. Ayan, good health. And nakaka-inspire kayo. Grabe, no? So, yun nga. Thank you so much po sa lahat. Until now, nandito pa rin kayo sa akin at ganoon din naman po ako. Thank you always. Love, mom.
Hello, Auntie Sa and Uncle GM. Ako po yung magbigay lang po na isang short message po para sa inyo. And ako po yung nahihiya na para sa kanila matagal na lang hindi ako dito sa White Kimono. But ito pa rin ako. Ayan, anyways, congratulations on your 25th amazing years. Wow, amazing talaga guys. Dahil sa 25 years na yan, grabe na yung mga pinagdaanan nyo na hamon sa buhay sa araw-araw within the 25 years. Pero natagumpayan nyo yun. Ayan, congrats and I'm so happy for you, both of you. Ayan, yung mga ngiti nyo po, tsaka yung mga adventure, yung masayang pagsasama na nakikita namin, lalo na dito sa live na nakikita namin. I love it and sana magpatuloy yun and cheers to another years of building memories. Congrats and God bless and enjoy being together. Love you both. Bye-bye. Miss you all.
To my dear Inday Sue ug Dong Rudy, today is your very special day tungod kay nag-celebrate mo sa inyong silver wedding anniversary, and my prayers sa inyong pagkamagtiayon, padayon lang sa pagminahalay o padayon sa paghinigugmaay o pagsinaptanay sa matag usa, and proven na ninyo tungod kay niabot mo og silver wedding ninyo anniversary. Happy silver wedding anniversary.
Good morning sa ating Mommy and Daddy ng bayan. Mommy Lady Sue and Daddy R, kumusta? Parang siguro mag 6 years na tayo magkakilala. And we started our friendships nung pandemic time pa. And that was in 2021, I remember. The first day you joined the live chat during my simulcast live streaming with the Northern London Got Talent champion, the June Bigamon Show. And from that time on, puro kulitan, tawanan, and he started calling me Kusi or hashtag Kusi kasi yun ang aking word that I use whenever I joke around or tease somebody or anyone on the live chat or whoever is live on their own YouTube channel. I don't want to make it too long, but I'd like to greet you a happy and bountiful wedding anniversary. So I couldn't wait to see you in Butuan and sing on your wedding anniversary. And after that, we'll go to Cebu. Tama ba ako? Happy anniversary, Mama Lady Sue and Daddy R. Keep it going and be a light to everybody you meet on YouTube and on any different social media platforms. This is a basic English. I'll see you again next time. Happy anniversary and God bless you both. Bye-bye.
Hi, hello everyone. This is Judel Torres and Mom, Dad, thank you. And sa lahat, I'm very thankful na nagkaroon akong isang parents na katulad nyo na kahit na hindi nyo ako tunay na kadugo, but napaka-blessed para sa akin na magkaroon ako ng isang foster parents na katulad niyo ni Mami at ni Daddy. Thank you so much sa inyong dalawa. And happy silver wedding anniversary sa inyong dalawa. And I don't want to say a lot more. Alam mo na yun, May. I'm always be here para sa inyong dalawa ni Mom and Dad. And thank you. And love you both. Happy silver wedding anniversary again. Ma.
Happy anniversary, Ate and Kuya, and thank you so much for everything, and wish you good health and more anniversaries to
Sis
celebrate.
Lou, I just want to greet our dear Mommy Lady Sue and Daddy Rudy. Very, very happy wedding anniversary. It's been a milestone po. I'm so happy na na-meet ko na kayo finally. Thank you so much po sa time. Thank you po sa invite. And thank you dun sa masarap na lunch po and sa pasalubong. Thank you so much for everything. And best wishes po. And road to forever po kayo talaga. Happy wedding anniversary po ulit, Mommy and Daddy. Thank
Hello,
you.
Ruby, Baba. Good morning, magandang umaga, magandang hapon. So, yun. Umi, Baba, happy 25th wedding anniversary. Yun, punong-puno naman tayo ng pagkamahalan. Sorry, hindi ako nakauwi. Atasan ako ng aming pinuno na maging in charge dito sa kapihan na to. Ang ingay naman ito nasa likod ko. So, sorry. Ay, naku, nakikisari. Ayan. Homie, Baba, happy 25th wedding anniversary. Yun, sorry, hindi ako nakauwi. Hindi ako napagbakasyon. Gawa ng binigyan ako ng bagong responsibility. Ito nga. So, postpone yung ating pag-uwi, ating pag-bakasyon. Yun, basta sana magkita na talaga in person this year or inshallah. And basta enjoy your day. And eto na naman po tayo sa ating mga pakulo, mga pa-press one na naman natin para sa keys. Tapos ang ating bakas na natin yan sa 12 month na may kanal. It's your wedding anniversary, your birthday, post-birthday, whatsoever pa. So, laging may press one para sa keys. Okay. Sana all keys. May good health sa inyo dalawa and more wedding anniversary to celebrate. Have a good day.
Maligayang 25th Silver Wedding Anniversary, Ate Sue and Kuya Rudy! Ayan, grabe. 5 taon na pala mula nung magkakilala tayo dito sa YouTube community, pero parang ang tagal na natin magkakaibigan. Napakaganda na pong makita ng pagmamahalan ninyo na tumatagal ng 25 years. Tunay na inspirasyon po kayo, Ate Sukie Rudy, sa amin at sa marami pang iba. Salamat po sa Ate Sukie Rudy sa pagiging totoo sa amin at masayahin po kayo at napaka-welcoming ninyo sa amin. Dahil sa inyo, hindi lang viewers ang naging samahan, kundi parang isang pamilya na rin, di ba? Yan, excited na po kami na makasama po kayo sa inyong espesyal na araw ngayong darating na Mayo. Kaya congratulations kaayo ninyo, Ate Suug, Kuya Rudy!
Ayan, 25 years of love, commitment, and togetherness is a beautiful milestone. Your journey together is really an inspiration, showing us the true meaning of partnership, patience, and enduring love.
Ayan, Bisaya to ha. Padayon lang sa inyong liog og malipayong kugma. Amping pirmi og inaot nga magdugay pa mo og daghang katuigan nga puno sa kalipay og panaghiusa.
Nang hinaot kung hatagan kamo og duha, mga daghang tuig nga puno ng kalipay, maayong panglawas ug mga mahalan nga higayon nga magkaubay.
Ayan, kaya cheers sa inyong
Cheers,
25
Ate
years
Sue
of
and Kuya
love!
Rudy. And you know,
Laughter
we love
and
you.
forever! We
We
love you!
both and enjoy. See you, Mama.
Mama.
To wonderful, nice couple. Babatiin ko lang kayo. Lady Sue, Rudy M. Happy anniversary. Silver ba yan? Happy anniversary to both of you. More blessings to come to you. And good health. Sana mabuhay kayo hanggang gusto nyo. Dahil magaling ang inyong samahan. Sana all naglalambingan at nagmamahalan. God bless to both of you. We love you. God bless.
Hi guys, this is Supremo Vlog and shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. And passing on your screen kasi gusto ko lang pong batiin ang ating pinakamamahal na mommy and daddy dito sa ating YouTube channel, Lady Sue and Rudy M. Ayan, mommy and daddy, shout out sa inyong dalawa. Happy silver wedding anniversary. Ayan, sana po ay malusog kayo sa araw na to at sa mga darating pa. Ayan, ingat-ingat kayo palagi. And once again, happy silver wedding anniversary. Goodbye! Love you, Mommy.
Hi, Mom and Dad. Wow. A silver wedding anniversary. 25 years of love, trust, togetherness. And of course, I know this marriage is God-centered because this milestone is a simply example of a shining true love. Charis. Happy anniversary, Mommy and Daddy. Always remember that you both have a very special place in my heart. I love you both so much. Happy silver wedding anniversary. I love you. Mwah. See you.
I'm proud to say that it's really an honor to be included to make a video greetings to this big celebrity couple in Philippine showbiz industry. Congratulations on your silver wedding anniversary, Aga Molak and Charlene Gonzalez Molak. Oh, sorry, si Pietda. Magkapareho lang kasi kayo na mga celebrities. Ang pangalan lang yung iba, but your wedding anniversary are completely the same. Anyway, I will not make this too long. I just have a story to reveal. And Ate Lady Sue, sorry, sana wag ka nang magalit after this story. There was a time that Ate Lady Sue went back to Philippines and Kuya Rudy M was left here in Prince Albert, Canada. And sinabihan namin ni Chari, my wife, na kuya, punta tayo ng Saskatoon. We'll celebrate Christmas Day together with Kuya Jun, your cousin. Huwag ka nang magpaalam kay ate kasi wala naman siya dito nung time na yun. Sagot niya, wa ko gipakataw para lang musupak sa imong ate dong. I was so ashamed, but sana all ganun ang respeto at wala sa asawa. That's why they're very loyal and trustworthy to each other, and they're very successful in their marriage. And sana all ganun ang respeto at tiwala sa asawa. Anyway, we want to greet you a happy silver wedding anniversary sa inyo, Ate Lizu and Kuya Rudy M. From us, Honrada family, Don and Chari and the kids. Thank you for very being good to us. Ang bait-bait niyo sa amin. And congratulations. Sana kami din aabot ng ganyan.
Happy silver wedding anniversary, Mommy and Daddy. Your 25 years together are a beautiful example of true love, strength, and commitment. Thank you for showing love, especially to my papa, and may your hearts continue to grow closer and your love shine brighter with every passing year. We love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, me and Dee. Happy silver wedding anniversary. Wishing you more love and happiness and memories and good memories together. And congratulations, may God bless you and more power. Bye.
Greetings from Norway. This is Kenneth Lanzahan, isa sa mga adopted son ng ating Mami Sue and Daddy Rudy. And gusto ko lang kayong batiin ng happy 25th year anniversary. And congratulations guys. Ayan, many more years to celebrate. At alam kong your love for each other still keep on growing. Ayan. Mabuhay po tayo and I love you, Mommy and Daddy. God bless.
Hello everyone, Big MC here. I just wanted to greet happy wedding anniversary sa ating Mommy Lady Sue and Daddy Rudy M. 25 years of marriage. A love like yours isn't found every day. Kasi it nurtured throughout 25 years of patience, understanding, and devotion, especially na nakasenter yung love niyo sa religion. And very important yun kasi nasaksihan ko yun kung gaano niyo kamahal yung isa't isa. And thank you, Dee, for always taking good care of Mommy every time na she needs you. And kay Daddy, kay Mommy also, salamat for taking care of Daddy every time na kailangan kanya, especially pag may mga nararamdaman siyang hindi maganda. So, thank you sa inyong dalawa na nasaksihan ko yon kung gaano nyo kamahal yung isa't isa. And thank you also for letting me be part of your wedding twice. Last 2023 and this year 2026. So another years to celebrate, and hopefully present pa rin ako dyan sa wedding ninyo next kung kailan man yan. So yun lang, continue to grow and continue to love each other and take good care of each other lang lagi. Yun lang. And enjoy every day. Enjoy every single day na magkasama kayong dalawa. And yun lang. God bless and happy wedding anniversary. Love you both.
Take a love shout out to Lady Sue and Rudy M.
Happy anniversary, Kuya Ron and Ate Sue. Together Jude, 25 years, silver. It's a milestone. Resulta yun sa hugot na gugma. So, sweeter as the years go by. You are an inspiration to us ni Gail. So, pray more blessings to your marriage and to your health and the rest of the family. Enjoy your anniversary.
And ang ako ang wish is good health. Good health kay you're almost to retire and we wanted you to enjoy your retirement. You're very generous kayo mo to help other people, extend help up to other people, and we want you this time that you guys will enjoy your retirement and the fruits of your labor. Hopefully, kamo na po ang makabenepisyo sa inyong hard work. So thank you so much for treating us your extended family, and again, happy anniversary!
Hello, Mommy Susie and Daddy Rod. Happy silver wedding anniversary. Your love continues to shine brighter than silver. Wishing you both a lifetime of happiness together.
Hello, hello, Bess. Happy anniversary for you and Rod. Wish you all the best in life. God bless you. And of course, thank you for everything. And I love you both.
Sister Sue and Brother Rudy M. I'm so glad that I have you as my family. I thank God for the love that you have for each other as a friend, as a couple, as a husband and wife. I thank God for His blessings of strength, good health, and family. I know you've been such a blessing not only for me and a family, but also to others, to everyone who has come into your life, whether young or old. May you continue to love each other as you celebrate from today onwards. Keep strong and your faith in the Lord. Enjoy God's blessing for the next 25 years. Congratulations and happy anniversary. I love you.
Hi, congratulations and happy silver wedding anniversary to both of you, Rod and Susie. May God bless your days full of happiness and continue to love and care each other. That is my prayer. Love you.
She said you're going to take. Happy 25th anniversary, Auntie Susie and Uncle Rod. Congratulations.
Yahoo! Happy 25th anniversary to you, Brother Rod and Susie. Congratulations on your day today.
Happy anniversary from me. And we have a happy time. Just so I can't be there, I don't feel too well. Bye.